Panther, a Retriever Terrier mix, about 1 year old, cute little boy. Yeah. I know, you're scared, aren't you? It's a lot noisy in here. Hi, sweetie. It's okay. Attaboy. Atta good boy. Yeah. My biggest. You can say that, right? Yeah. Big words. Hey, sweetheart. Definitely shy, so that's in a home with kids over 6. He's not real big at all. About 30 pounds, 35 pounds. Yeah. Hi, sweetie. So come meet Panther today.